Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, January 13, 2020. Today's video is about Finnish markkaa. The Finnish markkaa was the currency of Finland from 1860 to 2002. The currency was divided into 100 pennies and was first introduced by the Bank of Finland to replace the Russian ruble at a rate of 4 markkaa to 1 ruble. The markkaa was replaced by the euro on the 1st of January 2002 and ceased to be legal tender on the 28th of February later that year. This picture shows a 20 markkaa banknote issued in 1862. As part of the first issue of markkaa banknotes, 1860–1862, for the Grand Duchy of Finland, then an autonomous part of the Russian Empire, 1862, was also the first year of issue for this particular denomination. The banknote's obverse depicts the coat of arms of Finland on a Russian double-headed eagle, and was personally signed by the director and the cashier of the Bank of Finland. The text on the obverse is in Swedish, whereas the reverse is primarily in Russian and Finnish. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.